Have you ever thought of transforming your balcony into a multifunctional space? Imagine a space that's not just a balcony, but a laundry area, a workspace, a mini garden, and even a cozy relaxation spot. Yes, it's possible. And the best part, you can achieve it without breaking the bank. With a sprinkle of creativity, thoughtful planning, and smart use of space, you can create a luxurious sanctuary right in your balcony. So without further ado, let's dive into some creative ideas to transform your balcony. Our first transformation idea is creating a convenient laundry setup. Imagine a space-saving solution right on your balcony. A wall-mounted drying rack is a great place to start. It's practical, foldable, and unobtrusive when not in use. This is an excellent way to dry your clothes without taking up valuable floor space. But the transformation doesn't stop there. Let's talk about laundry baskets. No, not those old plastic ones you hide in the cupboard. We're talking about stylish baskets that serve a dual purpose. They're not just for sorting and storing laundry, but they also serve as decorative elements. Choose a design that fits your aesthetic, be it chic, rustic, or modern. With these two elements, you can create a functional laundry area that doesn't compromise on style. This setup not only saves space, but also adds a touch of style to your balcony. Now, who said laundry has to be a chore? Next up, let's transform your balcony into a home office. Ever thought of working with a view? Well, here's your chance. Start with a foldable desk. This smart piece of furniture is a game changer. When not in use, it's tucked away, maximizing your space. Now let's talk comfort. An ergonomic chair is a must. It not only complements the space, but also provides the much-needed support for those long work hours. But what's a computer table without a little organization? Enter cable management. Using cable organizers or clips, you can keep your computer cables and cords tidy. No more tripping over wires or hunting for that elusive charger. It's all about creating a space that's efficient, comfortable, and stylish. And voila! Your balcony is no longer just a balcony. It's your personal workspace that inspires creativity and productivity. Now you can work from home with a view. How about adding some greenery to your balcony? Indeed, a touch of nature can work wonders, transforming your balcony into a serene and delightful haven. Let's discuss ways to create your own small garden in a limited space. Firstly, consider using vertical planters. These are an excellent solution for maximizing vertical space, allowing you to cultivate a variety of plants without cluttering the floor. You can install them on walls or railings and enjoy a lush vertical garden view. Next, how about hanging planters? These are perfect for trailing plants or flowers, adding a sense of height and depth to your balcony. They dangle from the ceiling, freeing up floor space and creating a whimsical floating garden effect. Lastly, strategically placed potted plants can significantly enhance the atmosphere. Place them on shelves, tables, or corners to create a lush green atmosphere. Potted plants offer flexibility as they can be moved around according to your preference. A small garden can bring life and freshness to your balcony. Let's talk about some smart storage ideas. A balcony used for storage provides a valuable extension to living space, optimizing the use of limited indoor square footage. This efficient setup allows for organized storage of seasonal items, creating a functional and clutter-free living environment. When it comes to storage, multi-purpose furniture is your best friend. Consider investing in pieces with built-in storage, like benches or ottomans with hidden compartments. They're not only functional, but also add to the aesthetic appeal of your space. Next, floating shelves are a great way to utilize wall space for storage and display. They're easy to install and can hold everything from books to decorative accents. Decorative baskets and bins in the balcony not only provide stylish organization, but also offer a practical solution for keeping outdoor essentials neatly tucked away. These functional accessories effortlessly blend aesthetics with utility, enhancing the balcony's overall appeal while maintaining order. These ideas will help you keep your balcony clutter-free and comfortable. Next, how about having a cozy sitting area in balcony? Transforming a balcony into an ideal hangout spot offers a charming retreat for sipping warm coffee or cold drinks, creating a cozy ambience to share moments with loved ones while relishing the weather. The intimate setting provides a perfect blend of relaxation and connection with the outdoors. Designing a tranquil seating space involves utilizing foldable furniture, which serves as a practical space-saving solution that can be conveniently stored when not needed. Choose compact options like foldable chairs or a small table for a versatile and efficient setup. Add a layer of comfort with plush cushions and cozy throws. Cushions and throws are essential for a comfortable sitting area on the balcony, adding a touch of coziness and style to the outdoor space. These accessories not only provide extra comfort, but also enhance the visual appeal, creating an inviting atmosphere for relaxation and enjoyment. Don't forget an outdoor rug. It not only adds to the comfort, but also defines the sitting area, enhancing the overall look and feel. These ideas will give your balcony sophisticated and chic look. Some homeowners choose to enhance their balcony experience by incorporating a beverage cart, a mobile and convenient addition for serving refreshments outdoors. The beverage cart complements the balcony setting, providing a stylish and accessible solution for enjoying drinks while taking in the views or socializing. Create a DIY beverage cart using repurposed furniture or a budget-friendly option. Stock it with your favorite beverages for a touch of luxury. Whether you transform your balcony into a laundry space, a home office, a cozy sitting area, or a small garden, enhance the flooring with budget-friendly outdoor rugs, deck tiles, outdoor carpets, or stones, elevating it into a comfortable and stylish space. Choose a harmonious color scheme for your balcony, coordinating furniture, cushions, and decor in complementary tones to create a cohesive and visually pleasing atmosphere. Consistent color coordination enhances the overall aesthetics, making the outdoor space feel well-designed and inviting. Let's brighten up your balcony and add some privacy. Lighting can truly transform your space, creating a magical and cozy atmosphere. String lights or fairy lights are a wonderful choice. They can be draped around your balcony, creating a soft, warm glow that adds a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. For additional lighting, consider battery-operated lanterns. They can be placed on tables or shelves, casting a gentle light and adding a charming element to your balcony. Decorate your balcony with stylish candle holders or lanterns. Place LED candles for a cozy and intimate atmosphere without the fire hazard. Lighting isn't everything. Privacy is equally important. Privacy in the balcony is crucial for fostering a serene atmosphere, allowing individuals to unwind without external disturbances. It enhances the overall comfort and enjoyment of the outdoor space, encouraging a more intimate and relaxed experience. Sheer curtains can provide a sense of seclusion while adding an elegant touch. A lightweight canopy on the balcony provides an airy yet private retreat, allowing for seclusion without sacrificing the openness to fresh air and natural light. Opt for light, flowing fabrics for a luxurious feel. Another way to create privacy is to add bamboo screens. Bamboo screens on the balcony offer a natural and stylish way to ensure privacy, creating an intimate outdoor sanctuary. Outdoor curtains on the balcony provide a versatile and elegant solution, offering both shade and privacy while contributing to a sophisticated and cozy atmosphere. Alternatively, you can add window blinds. It adds a touch of functionality and style to any space, providing adjustable light control, privacy, and a sleek aesthetic in a variety of designs. They create a sense of enclosure, providing you with your own private retreat. With these touches, your balcony can be a magical and private oasis. Finally, personalize your balcony decor with a curated selection of plants that hold special meaning or significance, such as your favorite flowers or herbs. Introduce a cozy reading nook with cushions and throws in patterns and colors that reflect your unique style. Incorporate a collection of weather-resistant artwork or decorative items that resonate with your personality, transforming the balcony into a truly personalized and inviting space. So these were some creative ideas to transform your balcony. We've explored how you can make your balcony multifunctional, from a laundry setup to a computer table, a small garden, storage solutions, and a cozy sitting area. We looked at lighting solutions and privacy screens, multifunctional furniture, and adding a personal touch. Each element is a way to make your balcony a luxurious and comfortable space. Remember, transforming your balcony is all about creativity and making the most out of your space. Happy decorating! Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed the content, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing for more engaging videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to having you with us in future adventures. Until next time.